Uy! Bagong products from Cuktech. And this is a 140 watts na fast charging brick. And this is a wireless charging power bank na may dock. Both of these devices are pretty new from Cuktech, and alam naman natin yung quality ng Cuktech pagdating sa charging, lalo sa mga proprietary na Android devices. It can really give you fast charging na kailangan mo. Now, kamusta naman kanyang performance? Malalaman natin after this quick intro. Tara, quick unboxing muna tayo. Now, one of the good things dito is pinaganda ni Cuktech ang kanyang design. Two-tone pa nga siya, black and gray or silver. Meron pa nga siya blue lining dito to make it look really good pagdating pag-travel. Honestly, masarap din siya bit-bitin pagdating sa travel, except that it's a little bit heavy kasi 140 watts. Marami siyang port dito. Meron siyang 3 C port, isang A port. And I've been using this for the past 2 weeks and honestly, sobra ako na-impressed. One thing na gusto ko sa kanya is retractable yung kanyang saksakan. Pag hindi mo kailangan, just pack it away, just like that. Hindi na siya sagabal. Plus dito, may grip ka rin dito sa kanya, which is, may mga grid lines ka dito, no? So, definitely, may good grip ka dito sa kanya. And I've been using this one heavily every single day, charging my laptop, charging my smartphones, and all of my other devices dito. Pati Nintendo Switch, sinacharge ko dito, and all of the other gadgets that I have, dito ko sinasaksak. And surprisingly, it's really good, guys. Pagdating sa aking mga Xiaomi devices, this one can reach its maximum potential kasi mga flagship phones ni Xiaomi ngayon, either 120 watts or 90 watts, kayang-kaya i-support itong Cuktech 15 na GaN 140 watts na charging brick. And it's really good, So para sa mga devices na may PD 3.1, support din niya ang fast charging niya. Pero pinaka-gusto kong feature dito sa kanya talaga is yung kanyang small, compact size. Yun yung kanyang color is talagang one of my favorite dito sa kanya. Isa sa mga madalas ko charge using this charging brick is this one. Ang Cuktech na magnetic power bank. So it's not just a power bank, pero meron siyang docking, no? So whenever it's docked like this one, charge mo lang yung smartphone mo wirelessly, mag-charge na siya. And this one can support up to 15 watts na wireless charging support. You can carry this one as a parang normal na power bank. Pwede mo ikabit sa mga Android phone na may wireless charging. And pwede mo rin ikabit sa mga iPhone mo. Like iPhone 16, 17, lahat. Basta meron siyang MagSafe, pwede rin dito sa kanya. Dahil malaki ka ng capacity, this one can charge roughly 2 cycles. For me, basta 5,000 mAh ang yung phone. This one can charge you 2 cycles. And sobrang ganda rin nito is that you can put it on your desktop. Anytime na aalis ka, gusto mo pa mag-charge, just pull this one off. And bit-bit mo kasama na yung smartphone na naka-MagSafe, naka-magnet sa likod, wala kang maging problema. And this one, by the way, guys, is safe for flight. Meron sa FCC and CE certificate na nakaprint sa likod ng kanyang box. You're assured of safety dito kay Cuktech. Maganda rin ang kanyang surface dito. May grip din siya. So make sure na hindi basta-basta mahuhulog, kakalas sa yung smartphone if you're charging. Kasi delikado naman, di ba? Pag mahulog, well, magkakaroon ng problema yung smartphone unless meron siyang certain level of drop resistance. Now, one good thing naman dito sa kanya, once na naka-charge ng naka-dock, pwede ka manood ng mga shorts, mga reels, or you can even still use your phone while it's being charged on the dock. Talagang okay na okay siya for me. And honestly, for me, itong dalawang bagong product ni Cuktech, definitely panalo. Pati itong mga power bank niya, like the Cuktech 10, it's one of my favorite kasi these devices can give me a fast charge whenever I'm on the go. Lalo sa mga Xiaomi devices, Vivo devices, kayang-kaya na umabot ng maximum charging potential ng smartphone. So, okay guys, are you interested dito sa mga bagong devices ni Cuktech? Let me know in the comments. And if you're interested dito sa mga devices na ito, I'll post the link on the description or just simply click the YouTube shopping link na biglang lilitaw sa inyong screen. And yung mga pinopost natin ay from the official links. Huwag na kayo paligoy-ligoy pa. Baka ma-scam pa kayo. Now, kung meron kayong mga friends, family na interested sa mga ganitong devices, don't recommend this video to them. And of course, ina-encourage ko kayo to like, subscribe dito sa aking channel so you don't miss out on good stuff just like this one. So, paano yan? Hanggang dito muna ako and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.